PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 4th day of December. And wet weather is the story. We've got rain falling across a pretty good chunk of north and west Alabama this morning. Let's go right to our Skycam network. Some images around the state. First off, the view coming from Coleman. We're looking back off to the west from the water treatment facility just east of downtown. Rain is falling there, a good steady light rain. Pretty much the same story from Jasper. That's the Skycam up in Walker County from the top of the King building. The streets are wet there. And in Birmingham at 5 o'clock, the sky is cloudy. We're looking back off to the west from the top of the Daniel building. So far, no rain, but the rain should begin in Birmingham within the hour. There's the water vapor satellite shot this morning. And again, you can see that trough axis off to the west and a nice band of showers in advance of the front right up and down the mighty Mississippi River. And we'll look at the radar this morning at 5 o'clock. And at that point, you can see the rain falling just north and west of Birmingham. It's raining at that point in Huntsville and Fayette and Jasper and Double Springs and Hamilton and Tuscaloosa. And that's the band of rain that will come on across the state this morning. And again, the air is relatively cool and stable. Temperatures will likely hover in the low 50s as that rain falls. There's a broader view, and you can see the southeastern states. The rain extends all the way from around Lafayette, Louisiana, up to Nashville. And the rain is ended back at Memphis and Greenville, Mississippi. And again, the rain will be tapering off by midday today here across our state. How much rain will fall? This is the rain expected through Monday evening of next week. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of 1/2 to 1 inch today. And I think, we've been talking a 1/4 inch, and I think it's going to wind up being somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 inch with this stuff. And we'll take that. Remember, everybody's running a rainfall deficiency for the year, so rain is a good thing. And it's going to turn cold here behind that front. I say cold, cool. It is cold up north. Temperatures are in the single digits up over parts of North Dakota and northern Minnesota. And you can see that sharp gradient along the front. And the next couple of mornings, we should be below the freezing mark. And daytime highs tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday will be about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. Let's go through the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today. And that shows a vortex coming through the Tennessee Valley. And there's our band of showers. And I think the model is a little slow here because already the rain is ended at Memphis early this morning. So it does look like it will be mainly a morning event with the rain diminishing early this afternoon. Tomorrow, the weather cool and dry. The high should be around 50. North of Birmingham, folks up there will probably not make it out of the 40s. And over the weekend, cool and dry is the theme. There's a look at Saturday and a look at Sunday. Both mornings will be probably in the 20s with daytime highs between 50 and 53. And Monday of next week, the weather stays dry. A southerly flow kicks in, so it should be a bit warmer. And Tuesday of next week, there's our big trough developing back off to the west. And, for a while, the GFS had this as a big rain producer. It backed off on it. Now it's got the more aggressive look again. And there's a look at the surface chart on Tuesday. The surface low is a little southwest of Memphis, and that puts us in a good moist air mass. And we'll go to midnight Tuesday night. The surface low deepens and moves up into Kentucky, and a really nice band of showers and thunderstorms passes through here. So this is suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches with this thing. So that's a good thing. We'll sure take that rain, and that will maybe knock out the rain deficiency for Birmingham, which is running right at 2 inches for the year. And then Wednesday, it starts to turn cold. Cold air advection. Looks like a blustery day. And look at Thursday of next week. The air even colder. And that kind of hints that the high would be maybe 39 or 40 degrees on Thursday of next week. Very cold with temperatures way, way below freezing and probably teens for the colder valleys. And we'll look out there at the end of the cycle on the 19th of December, a big trough developing out west. And down below that, that shows all of the cold air out west. And we'll check the NAO forecast down there in that bottom graph. And all of a sudden, the GFS is suggesting that the North Atlantic Oscillation could go positive toward December 15th through the 20th. And if that's the case, that would ruin everybody's hope for white Christmas here. That would suggest the colder air out west and maybe milder weather for the deep south about the time we get to Christmas. So we'll see. You can still dream, though. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. throughout the day. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.